What's up guys, Kevin Spangler here. We are about to tear this Am Maverick. We're going to redo some rock sliders on it. They got into some rocks and stuff and it's all dented up. 1.5 inch tubing of some sort. Both sides are pretty well mangled up. And as you can see here from the shot, we're going to change them up a little bit for the guy. Make them a little bit more functional for him and his style of riding. One of the biggest downfalls to how all this was designed, I don't know if the same person built the rock sliders as the bumpers or not, but when they made the bumpers, they put these OD tube clamps on here that use 6 bolts, 3 on each side, and it basically wraps around the existing tube. And the problem was that the bolts and stuff would be hitting the rocks right here, because you have about 3/8 of an inch to 1/2 inch that comes down below your rock slider tube, and that would hang up on rocks, stumps, anything you'd encounter on the trail, and it'd basically stop you dead on a slow slide. So we'll be getting rid of these from Alright guys, we got the old tubing off the rock slider plate. So now we're going to go in, take some measurements and stuff and figure out our next, where the new tubing and stuff will fall. And we'll bend that up, notch it, get everything tacked up, and then we'll pull it all off and do the final welds on it. What our plan is now is we're just going to do something basic. We're going to come up here, turn the tube, we're just going to follow this line as best as possible, but further down. Come down here, catch this 1.5 inch tube, and then we'll stop it right back here about. We're not too worried about deflecting rocks and stuff with it. It's more for trees or any other debris that you might run into. Down here in the corner, this skid here, it actually wraps around there, and it's in there at least 1 inch or so underneath the skid plate that's here. Skid plates, looks like it's aftermarket. It's right on top of the plate for this side protection. So you kind of got double protection right there for rocks and stuff. That it should slide pretty good. H&B's real good type of skid plate to get. It doesn't bend and crack like some of the aluminum ones do, or plastic. Now after bending it with the bender, you want to find out where we're going to cut in here for our angle. Do your mark, and then cut along that line with the chop saw. Alright guys, we have our main tube tacked up in there. Now we're going to end up making some supports in here. And we're going to put one towards the end here and then end up doing one in the middle. Alright guys, time to add this bung in here. One goes in on each side of the tubing here. The first we need a bottom piece here for our lower tubing, notched out to match this angle here. To find that angle, I found the easiest is a large protractor, angle finder. Basically, come center on tube or use the edge of the tube. Bring it up to either you're going center to center or edge to edge. Line it up. Get in there pretty close. And now you have your angle there. Now we'll go over to the notcher. Notch out a 40-degree angle. Back, we got our piece cut and notched. Now we're going to put it in here. It's easier to put each bung in like it's easier to do each bung in its tube and then slide it into place. Like so. Now you got a good clean notch here. Your welds butt up. Then it'll be time to tack. Now this rock slider is ready to get pulled off and do all the final welding on it. What's up guys, we just finished the Commander rock sliders and the cage build on that. We'll show that over here. Oh man, we got RZR turbo sitting in here now. The Commander owner already came and picked up the Commander, so that's already out of here. Didn't get a finished filming on that. But you get a sneak peek of our next project for this RZR turbo. We'll be doing a cage build on that. In the meantime, we'll show you some of our XP1000 and turbo rock sliders here. But hit that like button, subscribe if you're not already. We'll see you in the next video. Peace!